Hello and Namaste. Welcome to YogaEndless by Anjali Pandey. In today's practice, we'll have a prenatal sequence that you can do in your first, second, or third trimester. If you are in your first trimester and if you have not been very active in your physical routine, so try to rest it out and see what feels good for you as your body is requesting for. Yes, listen to your body, and that's the best thing that you can do for yourself at this time. I'm going to help you with a sequence and a practice that is comfortable enough. You can feel free to add blocks, pillows, whatever you feel that can help you in the process. With that, we'll get started with sitting comfortably. Get both the hands on your belly. Connect with yourself and the beautiful soul inside you. Let the body get in sync with the breath. Try to see how you're breathing, how the breathing is making you feel. And gently relax the hands. From here, we're going to walk your right hand on the right side. Just keep walking it as much as you're comfortable with. And bend the elbows. Soften the elbows. Relax the head and stay here. Trying to listen to the beautiful sounds that we are surrounded with. And slowly come up. Same thing on the other side. Slowly walk your hand on the side. Drop your elbows. Relax your head. Have a gentle smile on your face. Relax your face. Wherever you're feeling that stretch, try to breathe in that region. Breathe through the diaphragms. What I mean by that is let your belly move in the breathing. Slowly come up. From there, you're going to interlace your palms above your head. Roll the shoulders all the way up and slowly push it down. Again, inhale, shoulders all the way up and push it down. Beautiful. Inhale up. Exhale, push it down. Last time, inhale, up, 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 up. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Open your eyes, spray the hands out, arch your back and lift up your head. Place your hands behind you, lift up your chest, very gentle, and look up. Slowly come back. We're going to go for a little circle. It's a gentle warm-up for you in your pelvis region. So you're going to keep your hands on your thighs, go all the way to the left, front, to the right, and set. See if you can go a little back, not very much, but a little bit. Yes. Beautiful. I'm sitting right next to the river, so you might hear some sounds of the river. If you can, try to enjoy it. Try to stay in touch with it. With that, let's reverse it slowly. Lovely. Yes. You can always keep a little wider distance between the legs like that and continue doing it. Yes, you just need a little more space for your belly, and if that's what you feel you need like right now, you can do that. Remember, enjoy whatever you're doing. Okay, from here we're just going to come to butterfly, which is Badak Konasana. Keep your heels slightly ahead as you can. Yes, from there we're just going to place the hands behind, fingers facing backwards, and lift up your chest and push the chest ahead. Arch your back, open your heart, and see if you want to keep your chin to the chest or you want to take it up. It's a choice. I like keeping my chin to the chest here so I can breathe comfortably. See what helps you the best in this position. Slowly release the chest. Slowly take your one hand, your left hand is on the back, right hand on your thigh, not on your knee, on your thigh, and just inhale. Exhale, push it out. Again, release, inhale. Exhale, push it out. Inhale again. Exhale, push it out. One more time, inhale. Exhale, push, push, and push. Slowly release. Same thing on the other side, right hand behind, left hand on your thighs. Inhale. Exhale, push, push, push. Release. Inhale. Exhale, push, push the shoulders down. Relax your face. Inhale, whenever you want to stretch, try to keep your face relaxed, and it helps you in the process. I'm not kidding. The more you keep your body relaxed, the more inviting the stretch becomes. One last time. Inhale. Exhale, push, 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 and slowly release. Okay, we're just going to grab your ankle, not your feet. Ankle, okay, and just flap your wings. Yes, gently, enjoy it. Invite that inner child in you. Invite that joy side, the fun side in you, and just enjoy this flapping of the wings. Yes, let's do it. Yes, see if you can flap all the way as much as you can. Try to keep your thigh relaxed. Try to keep your feet relaxed. Every corner is completely relaxed. Yes. From there, you're going to take your right heel towards you slightly, not a lot. Left heel to the outside as much as you can. If you're unable to straighten the knees right now, you can always add a cushion underneath the knees like this. Yes, and if you can do it without the cushion, even better. Yes, so this is where you are, and slowly walk your hands ahead, very little bit. And now try to think of arching your back, like your chest is coming ahead and shoulders is rolling back and hands are straight and push away from the floor. Beautiful. You should feel a stretch here in this region. Yes? Stay. Slowly center, come back. From here, remove the pillow. Again, you can always add this pillow underneath your hip if you want to make it even more comfortable. That's also an option. Let's flap the wings again. Bring that inner child out. Yes, and flap it up nicely. Good. Let the knees go. Relax the feet. Flap, flap, flap. Yes. And relax. Good job. From here, slowly right leg out. See if you need the cushion underneath the knees. And slowly stay there. Hands ahead. Roll the shoulders back, chest ahead, like you're doing a good cobra stretch. Yes. Breathe. Weight on both the hips. Slowly come back. From here, take your legs back into butterfly, and from here, open your legs a little bit wide. So you see my heels and the back of your feet is facing towards you. Okay, open it. Yes. And you're going to just let the knees relax, let the heels relax, and let it collapse. If the leg is adjusting by itself, let it happen. Relax the shoulders and bend the elbows. Drop your head on a comfortable side and just stay there. Natural breathing. There's no push, there's no pull. You're just staying in this position. Slowly get the feet in. One more time, drop it out. Change the side of your head and just breathe. Slowly come back center. Slowly get the legs in. Now we're just going to drop the knees. So you have distance between both the legs. You're going to drop both the knees on the right side. Stay. Yes. Stay there for some time. Breathe. Relax the toes. Relax your ankle. Every corner. Just let it surrender. Slowly come back center. And same thing on the other side. Yes. And back center. Beautiful. Slowly cross your legs like this a little bit, 1 foot up. Push both the hands to come onto your knees. Coming out of the position is very important. If you want me to show it again, watch. You cross your legs, 1 foot is placing on the floor, other feet is reclined. You push, shift into all fours. Yes, this position is called all fours. From here, all you have to do is inhale, lift up your head, gentle arch. Exhale, head to the navel. And just breathe. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, breathe. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, breathe. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, breathe. Inhale, up. And exhale, release. Slowly center. From here, you're just going to bring your right knee ahead, very gently, like this. Just this much. Okay, if you do just this much, you will feel the stretch happening here in this region already. Yes, if this is quite enough for you, you can stay there. If you want to add a little bit more, you can slide the feet slightly more down, so your right hip can come on your right heel. Yeah, heel. Just stay there. If you have any knee pain right here, just come back up and rest. Yes. Slowly curl the back toes. Go back into all fours. Same thing on the other side. Left knee inside. Stay wherever you can comfortably stay. It's helping you stretch your legs. You really need a good stretch in your legs because our body weight is getting heavier, right? And as you keep getting heavier, your legs get to work a lot. So when you stretch your legs, you'll feel that sense of relaxation. You'll feel that sense of calmness and release happening in your body. Go even more deep if you want to. And slowly come back. Beautiful. From here, let's come up to standing. You can choose your way to come up to standing. How I like is crossing my leg and then slowly coming up like that. Yes, choose a comfortable way to come up. Get your hands on the waist. Alright, keep your legs gently wide. We're going to do gentle hip circles. Just take your legs all the way on the floor and hips all the way on the corners. Every corner of the room possible. Very slow. Go all the way back also. It's important to go back and front. Yes, nice. 2. Beautiful. 3. Lovely. 4. Last one. 5. Good. Now reverse it. 1. If you want to close your eyes, just do that. and try to feel each and every corner of the body. Amazing. And stand. Stand still, relax your hands. Just breathe. From here, you're just gonna take your legs wide, interlock your palms above you. Inhale, exhale, go to the right side, just a little bit, and breathe. Inhale, back center, exhale to the left. Imagine of lifting both the rib cage up. Both the feet is firmly placed on the floor. And slowly inhale, come up and release. We're going to do a little release. This is very important. Keep your body gentle. Keep it loose, very loose. Yes, and just swing from side to side. Very gentle. Close your eyes now as you're doing this. Yes, be grounded to the floor. Let your body release. And slowly, from here, get your legs together, little bit, not very much, and come down into Malasana. Yes, if this is a little challenging for you right now, you can add pillow and blocks under your hips. And you can sit on that. So if you want to increase the height, add 2 pillows, 2 blocks, and just sit on that. Yes. Just stay there. Close your eyes and just breathe. From here, just last practice on both the sides. Just drop your left hand down and right hand up and just stay there. Slowly come back up, just staying for a very small duration. Right hand down, left hand up. Slowly come back. One last push, push the knee out as much as you can. Yes. Be careful of your surrounding, be aware of your surrounding. Slowly, very gently, either you can get your legs in and be seated on the elevated surface. I would remove one layer from here. Coming back to belly breathing. Get your both hands on your belly. Stay and connect. Observe your breath. How are you breathing right now? Is it different from the breathing pace that you had in the very start of the practice? Or is it the same? Just having an awareness. Take a minute to just thank yourself. Thank yourself for being this understanding, supporting, and willing enough to come and move for yourself and do this practice. So, a big thank you to yourself. Give yourself a good, nice hug on the shoulders. Tell yourself, good job. And gently relax the hands. From here, you can choose to either lie down on a left side of the body. Avoid lying down directly on your spine. If that is comfortable for you, elevate your spine and do that. And just give yourself a good rest. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice, and I hope I was able to help you in your journey to little movement. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.